So researchers developed drug X that acts on the loop of Henle but discovers that it does not reach its intended site of action within the nephron. It is freely filtered but rapidly disappears from the proximal tubule. They modified several of the chemical properties of drug X to produce drug Y, which cannot be reabsorbed from the proximal tubule. Neither drug is secreted into the proximal tubule. Which of the following natural substances are most similar to the concentration profile of drug X and drug Y in the proximal tubule? I have drug X and drug Y. Is it creatinine, glucose, glucose creatinine, glucose potassium, potassium creatinine, and creatinine potassium? Okay, so glucose and creatinine, right? So drug X, they were saying that it's filtered and then you don't even see it after PCT. So that's why it was glucose, because you never want to lose glucose. Your PCT is just going to reabsorb your glucose, your amino acids and all that. And then creatinine is the one that gets secreted even after you freely filter it, right? So this is based on your tubular fluid versus plasma concentration. So when you have a positive slope, that says that you have increased concentration of these solutes or metabolites when it passes through the tubule. So your examples would be creatinine, inulin, PAH, and urea, right? If it's horizontal, where the concentration doesn't change too much between the plasma and the tubular fluid, those are most of your electrolytes. Vitamins just want to maintain the equivalent amount. Negative slope is where you want to reabsorb everything that you have filtered. So that's your glucose and your amino acids. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this graph here. And based on this is what they were asking you. Just make sure you're familiar with this one, yeah?
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.